This is our product from here, guys. From here, we sieved using this from here to here. So now it's ready. We just add sugar and flavor. See, my people, this is the best village juice. One of the. Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on the time you're watching this video or from where you're watching from. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Safi. Hello from Kenya, Africa, particularly coastal region. So today I'm here at my business area where I do small business. So today I'm going to show you how we make a very nice juice. We call it juice of kwaju, a tamarind juice. Tamarind juice. This is the tamarind. So I'm going to show you how we make it. It's a very nice juice. Guys, here in our area it's very hot, so people drink juice a lot. So I'm going to show you how we make it. Please keep watching the video till the end. This is the jug. It's clean. And this is the tamarind. See, we are going to make juice from this tamarind. See guys. So let me wash them. Let me wash them. Now I put it in this jug. Let me pour water. Guys, see, I'm now pouring water. So this is it. The tamarind is inside this jug. So let me fill it with water. So I put the tamarind inside here and I poured water. See guys, see. We leave it for some time so that it can become soft. We leave it for some time. It's now ready. So let's sieve it. Let's sieve it. We repeat it again. We put water. We put some more water. Let's sieve it. Let's add some more water. This is our product from here, guys. From here we sieved using this from here to here. So now it's ready. We just add sugar and flavor. See, my people, this is the best village juice, one of the best village juice. See, so let's now add sugar and flavor so that we can put them in these bottles. Guys, I wash these bottles. We usually use the water bottles, so these are the bottles. I wash them, they are clean. I'll pour it in this jug, then I'll pour it here. These are bottle lids. I wash them thoroughly, they are very clean. So I'll be using this and I'll show you the end product. I'm now going to add sugar. My people, tamarind usually consumes a lot of sugar, so I'm now adding this. This is a 1 kg sugar. Let me add. Let me stir it and test it. I'll also add this flavor, this vanilla flavor, this one, vanilla flavor. See, it's vanilla flavor. Let me add a little. It's enough. Let me test. Sugar is not yet enough. My people, you know the taste of tamarind. It's very, I don't know what to say. Very not like salt. It's very chachuring. It's chachu. So I have to add some more sugar. Let me test it again. It's now enough. So I can now pour them in the. Let me now pour it in a bottle. So this is it. We are not filling it up to here because sometimes it freezes, it goes down. So we put it up to here. So that is it. So this is the end product. Guys, see. We usually sell this at 20 shillings. That is $0.002. So this is it. This we sell it at 30 shillings. This is the 30 Kenyan shillings. So this is it, guys. This is the big bottle which carries this three of this. So when I get this small bottle 3, I'll I will pour this one into this small piece. So that is it. Let me now arrange them in the freezer so that it can be ready to be sold tomorrow. That is it, guys. And our bucket is empty. See, it's empty. So, and our tamarind juice is ready. So that is how we do it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Don't mind the sound, it's the fan. It's the fan there. The weather is very hot. So that's the best juice here in our village. Please subscribe, like and share. Let's meet in the next video where I'll be showing you how we make the best of the best juice here in our village. Bye.